A brag board is such a cute way to display your kids' artwork and their accomplishments without having to put it on your fridge. For this project, I took this felt board that I had and I used my stapler to attach fabric to it, and then I spray painted these scallops. I lined them out how I wanted them, and then I used wood glue and finish nails to attach them to a board. This felt board I had already came with adhesive on the back, so I just used that to stick it to the backing. Then I used a brad nailer to go ahead and attach this scallop trim around it. Then I just attached it to our wall and decorated it.